Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat filter is not working on iPhone after updating to iOS 17. So guys, how to fix it? Now you can see filter is not working on Snapchat. So how to fix it? So guys, firstly we restart our iPhone because after restarting it, some glitches may be fixed. So tap on settings, tap on general and now you can see shutdown, tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. So guys, if this is not working, then we go to another is to check the update of your Snapchat. So go to the app store, search the Snapchat, and now you can see Snapchat is here. Tap on it. Now you can see my Snapchat is already up to date. If you have any update, tap on update to update your Snapchat. If this is not working, then we go to another is to reset the settings only. So tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it. Now you can see reset all settings on pop-up screen. So tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So guys, if all this is not working, then we check the software update. So tap on settings, tap on general, and tap on software update. Checking for update, it will take few seconds. Now you can see iOS 17 is up to date. If you have not fixed this problem, then you downgrade your iOS 17 to iOS 16 to fix this issue. So guys, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat filter is not working on iPhone after updating to iOS 17. So don't forget to share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.